If your team is using ChatGPT, Otter, and Grammarly, then you don't know what client data is going through any of them. Your governance already failed. In this video, I'll show you a tool that handles your meetings, your writing, and your research, and when it's set up properly, nothing will leave your computer. The tool is called AnythingLLM. It's free, open source, and it runs entirely on your laptop. But that holds true only if you configure it in the right way, and I'll show you exactly how later in this video. The tool is built by Mintlex Labs. You can download it from AnythingLLM.com/download. The desktop app installs in a single click on Mac, Windows, and Linux. It ships with a built-in local LLM engine, and on the first launch, AnythingLLM scans your hardware and automatically recommends a local model sized to what your machine can already run. That means you don't need to know what parameter counts mean or go hunting for the right model yourself. So you can be running a model entirely on your own hardware within minutes of downloading it without a single config decision. And here what it does. The first one is Meeting Assistant. It records, transcribes, and summarizes meetings entirely on your device. You can chat with the transcript afterwards, search the past meetings by topic or speaker, and it comes with 3 built-in summary templates, such as general meeting, sales call, engineering meeting. Of course, you can build your own templates. It will even propose a follow-up actions based on a summary, such as send a recap email, update the record, but nothing will fire until you say run. Now, it does the same job as Otter or Fireflies, but it runs on your local laptop instead of somebody else's server. Another one are the magic features. These are 3 tools that work across your whole operating system, not just inside the app. The first one is Echo. It's on-device dictation, and it replaces tools like Super Whisper and a Whisper Flow. Magic Tab is predictive autocomplete, which means that you type in any app, and the Mintlex explicit that it replaces Grammarly outright. Now, Beacon lets you highlight text anywhere on the screen and act on it without switching windows. And pay attention to Beacon because it's the one with the governance implication. Beacon has the full access to your agent skills, your MCP connections, and your tools. And that's your entire AnythingLLM capability live anywhere where your mouse pointer is. Another feature you need to be aware about is the model router. You set the rules for what gets handled locally and what's allowed to go to the cloud model. For example, simple drafting, internal notes, routine questions, they could stay local, and the genuinely hard reasoning tasks get routed to GPT or Claude online. And if your rules allow it, you get to set the rules for what data goes where, and the software will enforce them for you. Next one, MCP tools. The workspace isn't a silo. It plugs into Gmail, Outlook, Google Calendar natively, and it connects to any tool that speaks the Model Context Protocol. So it sits in front of the stack that you're already using for ChatGPT on Claude. Right, 2 things that matter more than anything else in this video. First, local is a configuration choice. AnythingLLM can just as easily be pointed at OpenAI, Anthropic, or other online LLM provider. You can also use online cloud vector store for local storage. It's only genuinely private when you deliberately select the built-in engine and a local backend like a Llama or LM Studio. You can also use internally hosted the vector database. And that's the entire point of using it to run locally. Now, the second point, it phones home a little, even when everything else is local. AnythingLLM collects anonymous telemetry by default. It does not collect personal data or document content, just the usage patterns. But it is a network call. You can switch it off in settings under the privacy if you want the genuinely offline posture. Right, so neither of these is a reason not to use it. They're the reasons you set it up properly first before any of your client data goes anywhere near it. It's for you to decide what is safe to automate. Consider internal meeting notes, first drafts, document searches, on non-essential materials that could stay local and also has 0 exposure, and your local hardware can already handle it. You should consider a human gate on anything that the meeting assistant proposes as a follow-up action. Just that one quick look and one-click approval before anything automatic triggers. You should probably consider what should never leave the building and define that in the model router as a rule. Tag anything client confidential and block it from ever routing to a cloud model. Now, one honest tension. Beacon puts an agent with the tool access across your entire operating system. That is a bigger control surface than the 3 browser tabs for those online tools. The difference is that it's a control surface you own and you can configure rather than 3 online tools that you simply have to accept the terms of use of. But you need to treat the beacon permissions as a deliberate decision and don't just accept defaults. And because it's one workspace instead of 3 separate vendor logins, you got one place to look when someone asks you what went where. That's the actual governance win here, not the AI. And you get to have the audit trail. All right, so what things go wrong? Failure 1, rolling it out with no router rule set. You should set the rules before anyone touches it, not after. Failure 2. Ignoring the hardware and a platform entirely. AnythingLLM itself runs on Linux, but the magic features and the meeting assistants are Windows and macOS only right now. Meeting Assistant also wants a minimum of 16 GB of RAM, so check the fleet before you promise this to the whole floor. Failure number 3. Assuming free means free anywhere. 3 different things are on sale here, and the people conflate them constantly. The desktop app is free under an open license. Magic features are free with a daily cap, and the desktop pro key will remove that cap for you entirely. Now, AnythingLLM Cloud is a separate hosted product for multi-user teams on a monthly subscription. If you search for AnythingLLM pricing, you will probably end up on a cloud product page, which has nothing to do with the desktop app I've just showed you. You need to get the right tool and the solution in front of your team. If you're not sure where for your business take a next step with AI implementation, use the AI assessment to identify your shadow AI risks and the next steps. Link in the description. In the next video, I'm walking through exactly how to set up the model router rules so the client confidential work never has the option to go anywhere near cloud model. I'll see you in the next one.